Hello, how are you today? I hope you are fine in this pandemic. So, what you usually do during this work from home and study from home? Maybe you sleep, playing, or maybe exercising. Well, that you can do all of that. But one of the useful activities that you can do is do your hobbies. Hobbies? Yes. Each person have the different hobbies depend on personalities each people. But you must know that each of hobbies has their value and purpose. So, hobby is meant for some people, but not for all. You can not you cannot force for all people. Then hobby are something that you and I can do. But make sure you don't waste time so much on your hobby. Make prioritize your text and job first. Example, do your text first, and then you can do your hobbies. Because hobbies is something that you can do in spare time, not in prime time. Nah, and from that we can make our hobby to job. Yes, which have bigger opportunity to make money. Also, they can relate to our passion and desire. Did you know that stress of job usually caused by many people didn't get a job which accordance with their passion? Yes, there is a lot of people say they don't like their job. That can be caused by the environment, by the people, or then can be their self. For some people, that does not be matter, but for other people, that is a big problem. So, if we can get a job that match with our desire, then we will definitely do it with heart. Also, the chance of being exposed to work induced stress also decrease, and we will appreciate what we have achieved more. So, no matter how difficult the work is, we will be able to do and finish it well. In this condition, it's hard to find jobs which are matched with our passion, but that not mean it's impossible. The other ways, you can start from your hobbies, because you will do your hobbies with courage, and it can be more that if that you can be a money maker for you, you will do it with fire because you like it and you love it. There are a lot of hobbies that usually people do it. Example, drawing, writing, programming, designing, gaming, basically sporting, and so on. All of that is good and worth to do. So, there are some hints for you to start making your hobbies to a great occupation. First, you must know what your hobby is. If you don't know your hobbies, then you don't know how to build it. Knowing yourself and your abilities is important in order to know what parts in you must be developed. Second, always develop and train your hobbies until you be a master in that. If you like drawing, then you must try to push your drawing skill. If you like programming, then you must elevate your skill from time and time. This is the hardest part. Remember, you need consistency and passion to always make progress in your skill. So, your skill do not stuck in place. Third, try to challenge yourself. When you know or find some competition or challenge, you must try at that. It doesn't matter if you win or lose, merely the importance is experiencing. For example, you can join an essay competition if you have writing skill. There is no penalty or mistake if you take part in a competition. But the problem is if you don't want to try and you don't learn from your failures. You can be everything. Fourth, make sure you have a community or someone that you can be your mentor. With a community that match with your hobby, you can get some idea and discussion and sharing about it. Also, if you have a mentor, then you can get some advice or tips. This be important for your skill. And don't be afraid or embrace to ask them. And 5, keep going and going. In this pandemic, you can use your skill to do maybe some online job. Example, if you have an editing skill, then you can start editing Photoshop or video service maybe, or you can make some essay and story that you can be post in online blog or competition. There is so many chance and opportunity that you can pick from this time. So don't waste that and use it well. At this rate, your skill can be higher and higher. So you can be the expert. The next step is finding the occupation or part-time job that equal to your skill, or you can maybe create your own business. With a high skill, you must find no problem in getting an occupation. You must know there are always people who will try to bring you down. Because of that, self-control, emotion management are required. Your hobby is your business, and don't let people take you down. Otherwise, make them speechless with your skill and achievement. And one thing to remember, don't be ever stop developing yourself. There is always a new thing to learn, and that all start from your passion in your hobby. Develop your hobby into a great occupation, because sitting around doing nothing will get us to nowhere.